Welcome to our channel. Elevate your dental care routine with Prodentim. Designed for mornings, these chewable tablets promote optimal oral health. Just one tablet kickstarts your day, nurturing your teeth, gums, and overall well-being. Check the bottle for usage details. The ideal time to pop that Prodentim is right in the morning. Grab one tablet and give it a good chew before you kickstart your day. It's like a little morning ritual for your teeth, gums, and overall body health. For the nitty-gritty details, take a peek at the instructions on the bottle. Easy peasies. Timing: take Prodentim in the morning. Dosage: chew one tablet. Purpose: supports teeth, gums, and overall body health. Instructions: refer to the details on the bottle for more guidance. Scientific references by Prodentim from official website. Check below in description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. Share this to your friends.